Bob is a magnetic storage system that can be used both in the office and home. It's completely versatile, has endless configurations, and it puts a smile on people's faces, which I think is pretty important. My name is Paul Kelley, furniture designer and maker, and now I've become a product designer with Bob. The inspiration behind Bob was I was doing quite well as a bespoke maker, but I wanted to do a utilitarian piece. And I saw Dieter Ram's exhibition, Design Museum, probably about 10 or 11 years ago. And I just thought that that's what I wanted to do, that it's okay making really good work when you've got high-end materials, but it's to design something that everyone could use, that's good quality and very, very functional. They gave me a walkthrough of the steel manufacturing plant, which is pretty impressive. Just the scale of it, the quality they produce, the efficiency, and it just opens up your whole mind because you think, God, what you can achieve if you're a good designer and a good manufacturer, the things that can come from that. Gone from being handmade in my own workshop to be translated into a mass production piece. So you had sheets of plywood going onto CNC machines, laminating processes on a much, much bigger scale. The magnets being fitted in, all the way to the boards being cut by CNC, sanded and then hand finished. And it was just a really good replication of how it's done in my workshop by hand. The reaction was just fantastic, and it was just a really good feeling to see that my idea, coupled with a good manufacturing company, has just produced a really good piece of furniture that everyone can kind of relate to.